Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Combine cornstarch with 3 tablespoons water, or broth, and add it the sauce a little bit at a time while whisking to reach desired consistency. Let simmer 2 minutes. Add vegetables, beef, and any juices, to the pan and cook until heated through. Serve with noodles or over rice. 24 April 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ingredients: 2 to 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 1/4 cup brown sugar, packed, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, or a bit of fresh minced ginger, cloves garlic, minced, 1/2 cup soy sauce or 1/2 cup tamari soy sauce, 1/4 cup cider vinegar or 1/4 cup white vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 1.5.
Let's help you make your mark.
Instead of a salty sauce, flavor your stir-fry with herbs, basil, oregano, cilantro, spices, cumin, coriander, cardamom, reduced sodium or no sodium added broth, fresh lemongrass, garlic or ginger, 100% fruit juice, citrus zest. Lower sodium soy sauces, less than 600 milligrams sodium per tablespoon. The 16th of September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.